Hey fashionistas! Ever pulled your favorite sweater out of the closet only to find it covered in lint and fuzz? Say goodbye to those wardrobe nightmares with the BEAUTURAL fabric shaver and lint remover. This little gadget is a game changer for anyone who loves fashion. It's got 2 speeds and 2 replaceable stainless steel blades, making it super versatile for all your fabric needs. Whether your sweater is delicate or heavy duty, the BEAUTURAL fabric shaver has got you covered. It's battery operated, so you can take it anywhere, perfect for on-the-go fixes or travel. Imagine keeping your clothes looking brand new, anytime, anywhere. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use. Just switch it on, glide it over your fabric, and watch as it removes lint, fuzz, pills, and bobbles in seconds. The results? Instant wardrobe refresh. No more throwing away clothes because they look worn out. With the BEAUTURAL fabric shaver, you can extend the life of your favorite pieces. It's like a spa day for your clothes. And let's talk about the design. Sleek, modern, and it fits right into your stylish lifestyle. It's not just effective, it's also a joy to use. Trust me, once you've tried it, you'll never look back. So if you're ready to revolutionize your wardrobe and keep your clothes looking fabulous, click the link below to grab your BEAUTURAL fabric shaver and lint remover today. Your closet will thank you. Thanks for watching, fashionistas. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your style on point. Catch you in the next video.